Somewhere a wing, no bird is flying, while planes hit the tower so slow. Time is trickling over the rocks. I thought you would like to know. What for, you ask, this song? Why do people play along? Oh, you must be putting me on. I thought you would like to know that Israel did 9/11. Israel did 9/11. The Holocaust did never happen. Israel killed the Kennedys too. It was all about the money. It was all about the money. I thought you would like to know. I look to you a fool, some methamphetamine minstrel who doesn't know his eyes from red river valley. But I got to the sea eventually. I thought you would like to know. I could be pushing a broom in some cockroach-infested meditation room. What you were thinking about sex gives me pain. That is unnatural and I am not insane. I should hope you know. Somewhere, no wing, no star. You raise your eyebrows, think I am Chinese or close to the edge. I'm always hoping you might like to know. It makes sense sometimes, and life works out about the same. Wow, Elsa pickled in the parlor, and dwarves take a dump in the china. Too many people all on bad acid. I suppose you would like to know that sometimes there is no Allison, there is no love there in the Christmas heart. Oh, please let there be somewhere we, but you never know. If the fat archbishop from Pillsbury hit the kitty fuckers in the sacristy while Satan was out in the harbor and dealing a hand to the sharks. Oh, please let there be a wing, one hand that claps in a forest with no trees. Somewhere a wing, I would like to see what I cannot know. I would like to be what I cannot see. I would like to know what I cannot see. Somewhere a wing, no bird is flying.